In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your Thrustmaster T150 to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Thrustmaster T150 is natively compatible with PlayStation 4 consoles and can also be used on PlayStation 5. All that you have to do is set it up by connecting it to any of the available ports on your console. So, first, just try connecting it into any of the available USB ports. Make sure that your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 is turned on, and then connect it into any of the available ports like I mentioned. So plug the end of the USB cable into any of the available USB ports on your console. Wait for the console to recognize the wheel. It should automatically detect and recognize the Thrustmaster T150 as a steering wheel or controller. Once the controller has been detected by the console, you will be able to use it to navigate through the console menus and play games whenever you choose a compatible game. Now, if it doesn't work right away, don't worry, I'm gonna go over various steps to fix this. So first, make sure that the toggle on the controller itself is set to PlayStation 4. If there is a toggle like this one, you have to set it to PlayStation 4. Even if you are using it on a PlayStation 5, it is still going to work. Just make sure that it is set to PlayStation 4 specifically. Once this is done, if it still does not work even after restarting the console, switching the USB port that you are using and so on, you will have to download the firmware on PC. So you will need to have access to a PC, either a laptop or a standard desktop computer. You have to go over to the Thrustmaster support website at support.thrustmaster.com and in here download the drivers. Once you download these drivers, you can run the executable file and they will be installed. Once the wheel has been properly set up, then you will be able to unplug it from your computer after installing the drivers and then just repeat the same steps that I mentioned. So plug it into any of the available ports on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Then see if it works. If it still does not work, try a combination of buttons. So while connecting it, hold down the Share, Options, and PlayStation button at the same time. Usually, this will set it up so it works natively on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 and you will be able to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect a Thrustmaster T150 to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.